That's good. Mabuti yan. Tama yan. Good for you. Mabuti yan sa'yo. Are we good? Ayos ba tayo? Tastes good. Masarap. Good news. Magandang balita. Good idea. Magandang ideya. They are both good. Pareho silang mabuti. Good person. Mabuting tao. He's a good cook. Magaling siyang magluto. It's a good question. Magandang tanong yan. That's a good news. Magandang balita yan. They're good people. Mabuti silang tao. He's good at singing. Magaling siyang kumanta. I feel good. Maganda ang pakiramdam ko. Go hand in hand. Magkatuwang. Let's go out. Lumabas tayo. Go to bed early. Matulog ng maaga. Go out for dinner. Kumain sa labas. Let's go home. Umuwi na tayo. Go straight ahead. Diretso lang. Go out of town. Mangibang bayan. Go back again. Bumalik ulit. I already feel good. Mabuti na ang pakiramdam ko. What's good about it? Anong maganda tungkol doon? It's not good for your health. Hindi iyan mabuti sa kalusugan mo. Are you good in English? Magaling ka bang mag-Ingles? That is a good question. Magandang tanong iyan. I want a good answer. Gusto ko ng magandang sagot. Good thing I still have it. Mabuti na lang, nasa akin pa rin iyon. Who is good in singing? Sino ang magaling kumanta? Keep up the good work. Ipagpatuloy mo ang magandang gawain. He gave me a good advice. Binigyan niya ako ng magandang payo. You have a good smile. Maganda ang ngiti mo. Does she have a good manner? May mabuting asal ba siya? It's good to help others. Mabuti ang tumulong sa iba. She gave me a good offer. Binigyan niya ako ng magandang alok. It's a good opportunity. Magandang oportunidad iyon. This shirt looks good to you. Bagay sa'yo ang damit na ito. You're doing a good job. Maganda ang ginagawa mo. I had a good sleep. Naging maganda ang tulog ko. They are good neighbors. Sila ay mabuting kapitbahay. You have a good handwriting. Maganda ang sulat kamay mo. He is in a good shape. Mabuti ang kalagayan niya. You're a good example to others. Isa kang magandang halimbawa sa iba. I guess he's a good cook. Sa tingin ko, magaling siyang magluto. He's good at making people laugh. Magaling siyang magpatawa.